Welcome to Toyota Longwell. Brand new into the showroom today is the CHR Plus. This is the fully electric sport model, 77 kilowatt battery, up to 600 kilometer range. See, very striking car. The LED daytime running lights, bi-LED headlights, front park sensors, front LED fog lights. Black and grey 18-inch alloy wheels. Obviously with the rear tinted windows, keyless entry, blind spot monitor in the mirrors, auto fold mirrors, half leather seats, lumbar support, 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, dual wireless charger pad, 12.3 touchscreen radio, heated seats, heated steering wheel, dual zone aircon climate. Full LED rear brake lights, rear park sensors, rear camera, power opening boot as well. Home charging cables. The all new CHR Plus Electric is now available to view and test drive at Toyota Longwell.